Now it is time to finish the pillar, so I will move the camera to this position and then I will select the pillar and I will make it smoother, so I will go to the properties. So when the pillar is selected, I will change the smoothness here to 60 and I will hit enter. Then we will add a cylinder here at the bottom of the pillar. So I will left drag a cylinder, drop it here in the center and choose OK here, and then the diameter of this cylinder will be 10 and the height or the length will be 8. Then we will add a lofted feature here at the bottom, and we find that lofted feature here if we go to more catalogs, and here we have shapes catalog, and down here we find a lofted feature which has the name L3 circles. That means lofted 3 circles. So I will left drag this feature, drop it here in the center and click OK, and it's rather small. And the size of this lofted feature depends on the distance between the camera and the pillar. If the camera would have been further away, this lofted feature would have been in right size. So for instance, I will delete this one and I will show you how it works. I will zoom out a bit and then I will drag a lofted feature, drop it here, and it will have a different size, and now it has the right size, and it will have this length of 50 millimeters. But I will show you how you can use the smaller one. If I zoom in and drag this lofted feature and drop it here, and it will have this size, and I will show you how you can change the size of this lofted feature now. So we will right click this box, number 1, and here we go to edit cross section, and here we will use hide edited IntelliShape. If you have hide edited part, you will hide the pillar, but we have to use the pillar as a reference, so I will use hide edited IntelliShape in this case because I need this part of the pillar as a reference. So this circle should have the same diameter as this part of the pillar. You can grab this node and drag it to the edge and snap to the edge, or you can also delete it and you come up here to select project and you can project this face to the grid, so now you have the right diameter. Then I press escape to exit the command. Then here in this box you will change to next section, and this circle should have a radius of 8. So when you select the circle you can type 8. You see here in the properties, when it's selected you type 8 and hit enter to change the radius of the circle. Then you click next section, and this circle should have a radius of 30. So I type 30 and hit enter. But as you see, it is rather short, so I have to move this cross section. So I will turn on the tribal, right click this handle and choose edit distance from point, and that point will be this face. And here I type 50, and then I turn off the tribal. Then I click previous section and turn on the tribal, right click this handle, choose edit distance from point and from this face, and then I type 25 and hit enter and turn off the tribal. So now we have the right length of this lofted feature. So now I can click finish shape and it will look like this. Then we will add a cylinder here at the bottom, so I will go back to starter catalog, drag a cylinder, drop it here in the center and change the diameter, grab this handle and I will snap it to this edge, and the thickness will be 5 millimeters. And then we will round some edges, so I will select the pillar, use the S key to select blend, and the radius will be 1 millimeter, and I will select this edge and this one and this edge. Let's see now, like so, and this edge and these edges. And this one. Then I come up here to select this edge and here and this one and also these two, like so, and then I right click here and click OK. So, but I think I will change the radius of this blend here, so I will select the blend and I will select this value and type 3 and hit enter. Then I click outside to deselect, and I will also change the radius of this part of the pillar. I will change that to 7, hit enter. Do the same here, 7 and hit enter, like so. Then I will paint the pillar and I will use this color, the same color as the flywheel, but I will copy the color, and I do that by using, here in visualization we find an eyedropper. So I will select the eyedropper and I will fill it with this color. Then I will paint the pillar by clicking on the pillar now. Then I press escape to exit the fill eyedropper command and I will select it again. Now I will paint the connecting rods with this color, so I will fill the eyedropper with this color and then I will click on the connecting rods so that they will be painted with the same color as the crankcase. Then I press escape to exit command. Then I will select the pillar and go to the properties and I will change the name here to pillar. Hit enter and I will copy the name and paste it here, and the part number will be 104. Then I will select this connecting rod and I will type connecting rod. It will have number 1. Then I hit enter, copy the name, paste it here, and I will type part number 113. Then I select the next connecting rod and I will select this name and paste the name that I have already copied, change that to 2, hit enter again to copy that name, like so, and the part number will be 113. Then I select the next connecting rod, I will paste the name here, change it to 3, hit enter again to copy and paste, and the part number will be 114. And then I select the last connecting rod, paste the name and change that to 4, hit enter and copy and paste it here. And the part number will be 112. Like so. And I have seen before that I have to change the name here. I will select properties. It should be connecting rod. So I will hit enter, copy and paste it here. Like so. So now I will move the camera to top front right and fit scene and go to home tab and save the scene so we can continue in the next video.